Hey guys, welcome back from Thanksgiving break and to our last 3 weeks of English 9 as we prepare and finish up our quarter getting ready for the final. So as you guys can see, the week is spread out here across Monday, Tuesday, no classes Wednesday, remember that's a catch-up day, Thursday and Friday. And if you want to get caught up or have questions on Wednesdays, you go into the office hours here in our Zoom conferences folder. And you can click here to get morning office hours or afternoon office hours to chat in Zoom with Carolyn and or I. So remember that's in our Zoom conference folder, and you can access that from our home page right here. So let's get started on this week. We'll go into the 9th grade, swing all the way down, and we are so far into this quarter. You can go all the way to the bottom. We have done so much already. Congratulations. You should feel good about how much you've accomplished already. And we start with an achieve on Monday. Start with your discussion question, then read the article. You have 2 options here, Lego Builders Could Go Pro or Trending on TikTok, Charlie. And remember we are LAN 100, so LAN is the code that you enter when you get on achieve. Remember you'll read the article first. You read carefully and slowly because you need a good score to get a grade. And then the second thing you do is the activity. You do need 75% or better. If you don't get it, you have to read another article in order to get a score. And the score we're looking for is here. And once you finish the activity, your score shows up, and we are looking at just this first try section here. Second try is just for you. The first try score must be 75% or better. If it's not, you need to read another article and try again. So I suggest reading an article that makes sense to you, that sounds interesting to you, is maybe about something you know so that you can get that 75 or better. The last assignment in this folder then is when you finish, catch up on missed work. That's first. You can read another achieve, or you can participate in this question about hobbies. Then that leads us to Tuesday. There's our achieve 4. Here's Tuesday. Tuesday is an assignment that starts with vocab. Then we read the text for The Myth of the War of the Worlds, and you can access it here. You can view straight from here, or you can follow the instructions to go back to the resources folder, open the resources folder, open the textbook, and go to our text. That's a quick reminder because you might need this on Thursday and Friday also. So here we are, back at our Unit 6 World's End. Back to there's our achieve for Monday. We're talking about Tuesday here. I now also have the textbook out and available here. So once you've read this, you have the handout to fill out. Remember, always open this attached handout, make your own copy, and you have 3 sections to do. I always suggest doing the blue comprehension section while you are reading the story in the text. And when you are finished with the story and the handout, you then submit the handout here, and that will get you the grade for Tuesday. Remember, Tuesday, it's a short article, so everything is due Tuesday for that entire text. Then we move on to our independent learning, which is fun. I like that section because you have choices. You have independent learning instructions here, and all the handouts available here. So in short, there are 3 texts you get to choose. One text you will read on Thursday and complete the handout for that day, and the other text you'll read on Friday, and you'll hand in the handout on Friday. So super similar ideas here, and we'll add discussion questions probably by then just to get you guys rocking and rolling in the right direction. Here are your 3 text options and the PDF pages. These are the instructions for how to access the textbook PDF. And here's the steps there. These are the steps I just went through to show you this resource page. So those are your instructions for Thursday and Friday. You submit your first handout here on Independent Read 1 for Thursday, and then you submit your second Independent Read 2 here on Friday. So your Thursday, Friday assignment, the instructions are here. The turn-in for Thursday's here. The turn-in for Friday is here. And that's it for this week. Feel free to shoot Carolyn and I any questions you have. Have a great day.